All right, we're gonna fix your anxiety in this one short little lesson. It's kind of like a band-aid, okay? There's deep work to do. But when you get stressed out, when you feel like the world is just like closing in on you, like these walls, like Indiana Jones, like these walls are just closing in, and you're like, okay, I need to like expand and burst through this, or just start swearing at people and just punch a wall, whatever it is. This is something, that's it's actually pretty common with introverted feelers, with IFPs, with EFPs as well, is that I need to just control things. And the easiest way to control things is oftentimes through anger. It's a quick fix. If you get angry, people usually back down. There are some people that don't back down, but most people are like, whoa, okay. And they're not going to do anything to provoke that even more. Right? The reason that that's happening is because either our values are being stepped on, right? And we're not articulating those well enough, or we don't know specifically what is going on, or we need to pay more attention to extroverted thinking. That commander, we need to give him the space to strategize and to control the resources a bit more, and to be more assertive and more decisive. But you can't always do that in the moment, right? Sometimes you get too overwhelmed and you're just like, I just need to do something. So that's what this video is for. Okay? Super, super simple. All you want to do first, just find a way of putting yourself in a different location, because it's a little weird to do this activity, this technique. Okay, just try to get to another location. Say, you know what, just give me a couple minutes. I gotta go somewhere. I gotta go see a man about a dog, and then I'll come back. Whatever it is, okay? You want to make the James Bond gun finger, okay? I know it's weird. Some of these techniques are weird. In fact, this whole video course is kind of weird because it's talking about making friends with the voices and the characters within you. But it doesn't matter. If it works, it works. Okay? Make the gun finger. Grab it like this. Okay? You just grab it like that. Squeeze it. Squeeze it pretty hard. You don't hurt yourself. Don't break your fingers or anything. But squeeze it. And then you're going to breathe in for the count of 7 and out for 11, or as close to that as you can. So you're going to breathe in for the count of 7 and out for 11 seconds, or as close to that as you can while you're squeezing it. Okay? I don't know if I can do it right now because I have a little cold, but we'll try. So you go in. And again, do it 4 times, 5 times. You don't need to watch me breathe a bunch more in this video, but you get the picture. Okay, after you do that, instantly, you'll notice that you've just calmed down. It's just not there anymore. And then you're more in your right state. You can bring in that empath. You can bring in your explorer, your guardian, your commander in the right ways. And you can actually take more control of the situation, or just, say whatever. It doesn't matter anymore. Or I'm fine. And just brush it off because you've relaxed your body. Right? Because your body is getting all heated up. And so you need to just chill that down for a little bit to give your mind some more room to breathe and to control. Enjoy this technique. Feel free to use it all the time. You can kind of do it secretly. You can't see me right now, but I just grabbed it and put my arms down, just, might look a little weird, but I suggest you try it out a few times, see what feels right for you, and just use it. Try it. When you get into that moment, it might not be easy to remember to use it, but it'll come eventually. Just keep thinking about the technique throughout the day. Just remember the lessons that you learn here, and you'll be fine. You'll be able to use it and instantly drop down your anxiety. All right? So, love you. Thank you very much for watching, and use the technique. Do it. All right. Goodbye.